find the song, a big twist on the blind test. Finding the song, but how? We've printed lyrics here on these papers, and we're going to read the lyrics. Not sing it, read the lyrics, and see if our English learners here are going to recognize the song. Let's take the first one. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof, because I'm happy.
It is Happy from the singer Pharrell Williams.
Excellent, good job. So that's 1 point for Leonie. Leonie, take the next one and read it. Let's see if we can guess.
And no one's gonna save you from the beast about to strike. You know it's thriller night. You're fighting.
It's a Thriller from Michael Jackson.
Yes, it is.
Ah, nice. Okay. And you pass it along. Okay, let's do the next one. See what comes up.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Drink. 1, 2.
I think it's Chandelier by Sia.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. 1 point each. Go online to find lyrics or prepare lyrics before. You want to make sure that the lyrics are safe also. Are pretty PG-13, it depends on what artist you're using, but there's so many ways to find lyrics here. If your kids have access to a computer in your room, they can maybe find the lyrics themselves, print it, or write it down and play the games together, okay? Bye!